Good day to you. Do you know how modern mothers feed their kids? Okay, they start like this: Alexa, play Jingle Bell volume number 7, and then that Alexa will play some song, and then they will start feeding the kids. Okay, or some other song, whatever they like it. So today let us see the technology behind this Alexa or OK Google. This is Kadal Amutham from Chennai, India. There is a lot of technology. It may look simple for us, but what they are employing it is something great. So you may think that whatever you speak is transmitted to the cloud, and then cloud processes our voice, and then reply has been got back and then delivered to you. They were doing it long time back, but what happened that they have to transport all our discussions 24 hours by 7. They have to keep uploading all the voice they are receiving. So it will put a strain on the internet bandwidth, and then it will consume our money also. So a new technology has been introduced in most of our mobile phones. This works as follows. There is a separate microcontroller only for process this information. So whatever the mic takes the input, it converts into digital format, and then once again that it has been converted into time series. What mic gives is a time series signal. So it has been converted into frequency domain series signal using FFT, frequency fast Fourier transformation. So using FFT, the time series signal from microphone has been converted into frequency domain signal, and then this signal has been applied to a microcontroller. The microcontroller has been trained to recognize the voice. It has an algorithm which works in the principle of machine learning. So previously I was knowing that machine learning or deep learning can be implemented only in a large computer, but it is no longer true. It can be even implemented in a 32-bit small microcontrollers which has few kbs of memory, and then RAM, and then a few megahertz of clock speed. It is possible to implement machine learning algorithm in the small controllers. So the controller receives the frequency domain input from the generated by the microphone. So the controller analyzes the input. It is mainly looking for the keyword like Alexa or OK Google, or a period of silence or period of noise. So once it recognizes the word OK Google or Alexa, then it starts recording our voice and then starts sending to cloud for further processing. So in this method, lot of up and down communication is reduced, and then a lot of processing has been reduced, bandwidth has been reduced, people money have been saved. So this is the latest technology behind OK Google or Alexa. But understand one thing, our microphones are monitoring all our conversation 24/7 method, whether you like it or not, whether you allow exclusive permission or not. They are monitoring what is happening, what the discussion is happening. Currently they are being used for marketing products. So for example, if you and your wife are discussing about purchasing of a new television or a new laptop, you will be pushed to product advertisements of those things, laptop or mobile phone or something like that. So currently our speech are monitored for this purpose, but we don't know what other purposes our conversation can be monitored, but be aware of it. There is nothing called personal secrecy in our day-to-day life in the modern life. This is the truth of it. Better get used to it. This is Kadal Amutham from Chennai signing off. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get some technology update from me now and then. Thank you for watching.